Welcome back to PC Error. Detective, today we're breaking down 7 Cortana settings to disable now on Windows to help you improve privacy, reduce background activity, and boost system performance. In this video, you'll learn exactly which Cortana features you should turn off and why they matter for a smoother Windows experience. Now let's get started. Number 1. Turn off Cortana voice activation. Disabling voice activation prevents Cortana from constantly listening in the background, which improves privacy and reduces unnecessary system resource usage. This helps keep your Windows PC more secure and responsive. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Press Windows plus I on your keyboard to quickly open the Windows settings menu. Step 2. Click on Privacy and Security to access settings related to data, permissions, and system privacy. Step 3. From the left-hand panel, select Speech to manage voice and speech-related features. Step 4. Locate online speech recognition, which allows Cortana to process voice commands using cloud services. Step 5. Toggle online speech recognition to off to fully disable Cortana's voice activation feature. Number 2. Disable Cortana background activity. Disabling Cortana's background activity helps reduce unnecessary resource usage and improves system performance by stopping Cortana from running silently in the background. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Press Windows I on your keyboard to open the Settings app, which gives you access to all system-level controls in one place. Step 2. Click on Apps to manage installed applications and control how they behave on your Windows PC. Step 3. Select Installed Apps, then scroll down the list to locate Cortana, ensuring you are modifying the correct system app. Step 4. Click on Cortana and choose Uninstall, which completely stops Cortana from running in the background and consuming system resources. Number 3. Turn off Cortana keyboard shortcut. Turning off the Cortana keyboard shortcut prevents accidental activation and helps keep Cortana fully disabled, improving focus and overall system efficiency. Let's do it. Step 1. Press Windows plus E to open the Settings app, where you can control system features and shortcuts. Step 2. Go to Accessibility to manage keyboard and input-related options on your Windows PC. Step 3. Click on Keyboard and scroll to locate any Cortana-related shortcut or general shortcut option. Step 4. Toggle the shortcut off to stop Cortana from launching when keyboard shortcuts are pressed. Number 4. Disable Cortana Online Search. Disabling Cortana Online Search protects your privacy by stopping web-based results and reduces unnecessary background data usage on your Windows PC. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Press Windows plus I to open the Settings app, giving you access to all system privacy controls. Step 2. Click on Privacy and Security to manage how Windows and Cortana handle your data. Step 3. Select Search Permissions and scroll to find Cloud Content Search options. Step 4. Turn off all online search options to prevent Cortana from using the internet for search results. Number 5. Turn off Cortana data collection. Turning off Cortana data collection limits personal data sharing and enhances privacy while keeping Cortana from sending usage information to Microsoft. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Press Windows I to open the Settings app, where all privacy and system data options are managed. Step 2. Click on Privacy and Security to control how Windows and Cortana collect and use your data. Step 3. Select Diagnostics and Feedback and turn off optional diagnostic data to stop extra data collection. Step 4. Click Delete Diagnostic Data to remove any previously collected data from your device. Number 6. Turn off Cortana notifications. Turning off Cortana notifications removes unnecessary pop-ups and distractions, helping you stay focused while fully disabling Cortana's presence on your PC. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Press Windows plus I to open the Settings app and access system notification controls. Step 2. Click on System to manage display, sound, and notification-related settings. Step 3. Select notifications to view all notification options for apps and system features. Step 4. Toggle notifications off to stop Cortana from sending alerts and interruptions. Number 7. Turn off Cortana location access. Disabling Cortana's location access protects your privacy by stopping the assistant from tracking your location, while also reducing unnecessary background activity. Let's do it. Step 1. Open Settings and select Privacy and Security to manage all privacy-related controls. Step 2. Click on Location to access location settings for apps and system features. Step 3. Scroll down to App Permissions to see which apps can use your location. Step 4. Turn location access off for Cortana and other apps to prevent location tracking. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a guide or tutorial from PC Error Detective. We share easy, step-by-step solutions and expert tips to help you fix, optimize, and protect your Windows PC, so subscribing is the best way to stay updated and get the most out of your computer every day.